Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection RC Helicopter Review 2025.
Number 4.
Specifications: rotor diameter 256 mm, body length 239 mm, height 93 mm, flying weight 99 g, flight time approximately 12 minutes, charging time approximately 60 minutes, remote control mode 2 for G remote controller.
Number 3.
The C03-UH1 is a 1/48 scale brushless RTF RC helicopter designed for hobbyists and beginners. It features a fly-barless design, 6-axis gyroscope, and optical flow positioning for stable flight. With one-click 3D flip capability, top altitude hold, and a modular battery system, it offers approximately 13 minutes of flight time.
Number 2.
Functions: 1. For channel remote control, free switching between left and right hands, low voltage prompt for aircraft and remote control, etc. 2. The real Black Hawk A60L is reduced in proportion, with a fine appearance and high simulation for propellers without flybars. 3. The blades are designed based on aerodynamic principles to provide strong power and self-stability of the fuselage.
Number 1.
The RC C03-UH1 Huey is a 6-channel, gyro-stabilized RC helicopter designed for adult enthusiasts. Its fly-barless design and 6-axis electronic gyro ensure stable flight, while features like barometer-based altitude hold, optical flow positioning, and TOF sensors enhance control.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.